Yeah! Alrighty, guys. This is Dirty Motovlogger here. Hopefully you can hear me. This is Dirty Motovlogger, and my helmet is dirty as fuck. Sorry about the hand in the way. My nose itches, and it still does. Alright, well, hopefully you can hear me. I'm just going to go around the block really quick. Just let us see if the mic is actually working and you can hear me. I'll probably put this out. I say that every time. If it's good quality, I'll put it out for you guys. If you can hear me and it's put out, let me know what your suggestions are on riding gear. Yes, riding gear. That is more of like I can wear every day. Hoodie, like jacket. I don't know what kind I want. So let me know in the comment section what you think, and I am out, guys. Damn, that was quick. Oh shit!